Welcome to Julio Bandy RC unboxing. This is Kat. She's gonna do the unboxing. This is the rival Mt10 made by Team Associated. And there's a reason why I brought that out. So if you want, Kat, go ahead, take the rival off. So yes, I already have one. For the price and for what you get, it's definitely worth the money to get another one. I paid $200 for the tires alone. I have the tires on my the Shogun V1, Italian V4, JLB Cheetah, Mojave, and the Landslide. If you want, Cat, go ahead and open it up. The main thing you need for this is a metal spur, because the plastic spur will strip eventually. I've gotten to the point where it stripped every time I took it out. Success is a bit much for it, but if you learn how to drive it, you'll be fine. I have a brand new body already for my last Kaiju. Last Kaiju, I ruined the body on it first day. There's the remote. They sent me another remote and receiver, so I'm actually going to put that in my Pirates 3 roller body that I have going put together through some Badlands. Backflip tires on it from the notorious Success. She looks good new, huh?
Yes, she does. Well, I noticed a extra detail with the wheels that we normally don't get.
What's that?
That they have the Redcat logo
Yeah, all the tires do.
on the inside of the wheel.
Yep. If you want, you can face that forward this way. So yeah, I already have the extended version pre-ordered, waiting for that. And the reason why I brought this out was to put them side by side. Will you move this over here? Move that over here. So if you take off the bodies of these two, and I thought at first, this rival MT was going to be very hard to control. It was one of the first cars I bought. Hang on a minute, Kat.
Of course.
It's one of the first cars I bought, and I thought it was going to be hard to control. Now, if you check out my videos, it was very easy to control, backflips, whatever you wanted it to do. It was one of the funnest cars I've driven, actually. And that was after about a year I put it up. I thought it was broke. Instead, the spider gears and the diff were broke from having a high C rating battery, power hobby battery. And I ordered 50C, I got a 75C, and it blew the dog bones out of the JLB Cheetah, bent them. I thought that was weird. First drive, and then it stripped the spur in my Redcat Kaiju really fast. And then it also ruined the spider gears in the rival MT here. So once I figured that out, again, this was the first car I bought, so I didn't realize to check the spider gears themselves. I couldn't figure out what the problem was. I had taken it all apart, and I just couldn't figure it out, so I thought it was just going to be one car that I couldn't fix. Well, come to find out, I still was able to fix it by replacing those spider gears. And ever since then, it's been a great car. It's got 100K in the rear and the front, I believe. I know it's pretty thick diff oil throughout, like 500k in the middle. It did leak. I don't think it leaks anymore, but it did leak. At least I hope it doesn't leak anymore. If it does, I have the a gasket and whatnot to fix that. Alright, go ahead and take that one off. The reason why I put these two side by side is because for some reason the Redcat Kaiju after you take the shroud off, we take a good look at that. You'll see that they're built exactly the same. So Team Associated Rival Mt10 and the Redcat Kaiju have the same exact body, just different tires, different body. I mean, same exact chassis design. Except this is a 3S. Could probably turn it into a 4, no problem. However, I think it's pretty fun the way it is, so I'd probably leave that one for now. And then this one is really powerful. And like I said, it's got the plastic diff. It's got all the cambers, just like the MT. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show. And I'm not sure about the specs. I know this is a 4 to 6S, and this is a 3S. Probably a 2 to 3S. So yeah. Have a good day and enjoy another unboxing someday on, or check out my videos on YouTube, Julio, Hoolio, Band-Aid, RC. Have a great night. Bye.